How to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Instagram app on your phone. Now you want to tap on the story icon on the top left corner, or you can just slide to the story section. Upload any of the picture from here or just click the picture by tapping on camera. Tap on the smile-like option on the top right corner, then tap on music. Select any of the music from here. Now, to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds, tap on the time-like option on the left-hand side corner, and then the time starts from 5 seconds to 15 seconds. There is no way you can exceed more than 15 seconds, so that is all you can put timer up to, that is 15 seconds. For that again, you need to tap on the time-like options and tap on done after putting it to 15 seconds. However, you can change the appearance of the music, you can change the cover of it. After you're done, tap on done and tap on your story or your close friends. And that is how it works. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.